directors of the board, all the senior doctors, all the administrators, all our staff and employees of principal hospitals and of course the guests who are here. This is my proud privilege to welcome all of you on this very auspicious occasion, the 4th annual day celebration of Milford Hospitals. And as yesterday Chairman Sir had communicated one thing, CTS, all TS, 4TS, that's higher, faster and stronger. That is the spirit that we abide by, and we are going to follow this in the days to come. Today, I think if I'm not committing an error, this was the day in 2017 when the first patient had come over in this hospital. So I request all of you to please put your hands together for this very momentous occasion. Thank you so much. And now the house is open for cake cutting. I request Chairman Sir, Vice Chairman Sir and all the dignitaries to please join us for the
2017, 25th September. This place was slightly ready. Other floors were being constructed. We had with us many of them at that point of time, of whom Mr. Ramkrishna Mukherjee I see is here, who had been right from the beginning instrumental, helping us in this growth of the hospital. Others, there are new faces. Mr. Probir Mukherjee is at the back. Dr. Joydeep Bhadur is also at the back. They all were there, and we had been at that point of time cleaning the hospital and waiting for this. Bablu is here. So those were the days.
Bablu.
Those were the days. But Swaroop was instrumental at that point of time. The IT laying down was going on. So it's a collage. It's a collage of thoughts when we look back 4 years. To be very frank, after 4 years where we stand today, I share with pride that it has been your achievement. What we have achieved. We have achieved trust of the patients. So the hospital today, you are working every day to gather their trust, and they have trusted us. The most important thing that I feel should be with everybody is no hospital can grow without academics. That had been a conviction of us right from the very beginning, that if a hospital really has to perform, you should have an academic environment. So you have achieved to be the first hospital outside Kolkata, private hospital in Eastern India, to be recognized for postgraduate medical teaching this year. You have been recognized by the State Medical Council with 34 seats for certificate course in technician services, be it dialysis technician, radiology technician, lab technician, cath lab technician, all technicians, certificate course by the West Bengal State Medical Council is to start here from this year only. So that is one big achievement. What you have achieved? The first institutional NABL accredited laboratory is your laboratory in its standards. 4. You have at least 10 ongoing research studies going on in this hospital by different groups of the different departments. This takes decades to achieve, I tell you honestly, this takes decades to achieve. There are hospitals n number in this state for last 1 decade could not achieve this, which you have achieved within 3 years time. That demands a big. From this year we are starting very many new things also. First, starting from this year, from this day only itself, will be the Best Employee Award for There are departments, every department is covered. There will be Best Employee at the level of staffs, Best Employee at the level of in charges, and Best Employee at the level of top management. To be started this year only, and from this date only. Today only we will be awarding. We have already been inspected for different departments for further post-graduation courses which are to come within 3 to 5 months. We are coming up with a 350 bedded tertiary care super specialty hospital in Asansol. The work is to start from October. As of now, it has 13 OTs, which includes transplant OT, cardiac and liver transplant OT. We are coming up with a full-fledged oncology center in Asansol, which covers everything from medical oncology, surgical oncology to radiation oncology. That means you are going to have LINAC, PET, NMR, everything whatever is required. No patient will have to move from this zone anywhere for oncology treatment in coming 2 years time. But one thing, the prices there will also be as the prices in Health World. It will be in moderate lines, not in the lines of the high-flying cost structures, corporate structures of the country. So that will be affordable to the people. So that is one big thing which are there. Already we have our partner in City Clinic Hospital, which is fully functional and is doing great services in the last 1 year. 3 other hospitals we are talking to, they are talking to us for a tie-up. So Health World, that hospital is also going to come within this year, most likely 3 more hospitals. We have already started our national laboratory chain, which will be catering to 500 cities of the country. The base lab is already established and operational at Rajarhat Sector 5. It's a 7,000 square feet lab which is already operational. 30 centers in Eastern India will come this year, of which 5 centers have already started its operations. So you have a pharmaceutical industry coming up, which is also a next year plan. The land has been taken, earmarked, and we are going in for it. So you have it's not only a hospital, it has the whole health domain in it. Staying here, I think all the persons who are here should feel pride to be associated with us, and it is our job to deliver things such that you be proud of your achievement, because these all could not have been achieved other than by you.